Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Xbox One wireless headset is paired and powered. Low battery can disable options. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, then move to Profile and System. Once in Settings, choose Devices and Connections, and then Accessories. This is where controller and headset audio options live. You do this now because the monitoring toggle sits inside Accessory Controls. Make sure the console is awake and the headset is connected. Then select the accessory for your controller to proceed. You now open the controller accessory profile linked to the wireless headset because monitoring settings are profile-specific. Scroll to Audio and locate mic monitoring, often near headset volume and chat/game mix. Use the joystick or D-pad to highlight the mic monitoring control. Depending on firmware, it appears as a slider or a simple toggle. Lowering to 0 or toggling off stops the headset from feeding your mic audio back into your ears. This prevents feedback and reduces distraction while keeping chat audio intact. Once done, save or exit to apply the change and test by speaking into the mic. You should not hear your own voice. If you still hear yourself, make sure the headset is fully off and on again, then reboot the Xbox, because transient connections can restore old levels. If problems persist, open the Accessories app to check for controller or headset firmware updates. Outdated firmware can hide or misapply the monitoring control. Finally, recheck chat/game mix so game volume remains balanced versus chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.